In this video, we'll build a circuit from scratch that simulates the sound of a chick. The circuit diagram is at the end of the video. Originally, the circuit was supposed to imitate the sound of a woodpecker, and it worked the first few times. Then, mysteriously, it started sounding like a small chick. Let's change the 100 microfarad capacitor in the diagram to a 330 microfarad capacitor. Now it sounds much better. This happens if we change a ceramic capacitor to a tantalum one. Let's begin assembly.